This woman. I'm very hungry. Mama Iguana. Bring this food for me. Oh, you haven't come, you not come with anything.
I'm still cooking now.
How many hours, how many years you are cooking? I don't know what you are cooking.
You want me to enter inside the fire?
If that would make the thing fast, enter inside. Well, this woman. Very soon I will swap a position with your second. In bed, though. No, yeah. This woman.
The food.
I'm not getting interested.
Why?
I'm no longer interested.
But you know today is my turn to cook.
That's why you are delaying me.
And you know it's my turn tonight.
I will swap a position.
You are looking for trouble, right?
Don't worry, I will eat from my second. Hello?
Yes?
What did you prepare?
Am I the one that is supposed to cook for? Is it my turn to cook? Please, I beg you. I only make food for myself.
Yeah, don't worry. Hello? Don't worry. Hello, baby.
My sister. Meet my friend. My friend meet my sister.
Wow. Nice to meet you.
And you too.
How you doing?
Fine.
Are you sure you are fine? My sister, I'm your blood. Talk to me.
It's my boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Yes. Okay, baby, I'll be going to the market now to get some things for us.
Come on, come here. No sense. Wait. What did you just call me?
I said baby.
Cho. Run your mouth like you need to solve. Calling me baby. As if I'm your mate.
Baby, it's not like that.
It's not. No sense. Okay, I'm talking to you now. You are squatting. You want to carry me.
No.
You want to carry me from the ground. Oh yeah, carry me. You talking to me in small letters.
Baby, I love you. It's not like that.
I love you more. This is the right way to show love.
You mean your boyfriend is treating you like this?
He's beating me.
My sister, tactically, when a man loves a woman, he will take care of her. He will not play with her. Look at your body. From your appearance, the boy is not taking care of you. What you should do is leave him.
No!
Look at your body. And you are saying he loves you.
I love him and he loves me. We are going to get married.
Let's go. Send my regards to your parents.
Much later.
This is the water I brought for you to drink.
Okay, you brought me water to drink and you are smiling. The other day the power was restored and you were smiling.
Baby, can't I smile?
Can't you smile? Are you trying to say that I can't make you smile in this house?
Oh, baby, why are you talking like this?
How am I talking? I'm talking to you now, you are looking outside.
Baby, can't I look outside again?
You are searching for another husband.
I'm not.
Nonsense. I'm talking to you now, your hand, put it on the floor. You want to disappear? Oh yeah, go ahead and disappear.
Baby, why are you talking like this?
How am I talking? I'm talking in nonsense, Abby. Come on, carry your water and go. Take your water and go. You want to drink, carry it now. Give me. You should give me. It's like people say I'm wicked in you this house. Take and put it back here. Keep it back yourself. You look at the way she even collected it. Nonsense. Let me go inside house. I want to go and gym when I'm coming back. Take your water. That's how we'll be doing this fight, for better and for worse.
If your boyfriend is treating you like this while you guys are dating, when you are married, he's going to finish you.
He will finally finish you.
Please, leave that boy alone.
No, I cannot leave him. He loves me and we are going to get married.